Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today we're out here in the garden replanting our green beans. Now, one thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get rid of the old green beans, and the fastest way we can do this without using a lawnmower is using our little hand scythe. These little sickles are real handy in the garden. They're really super sharp and they make short work of taking care of all these tall weeds and these tall green bean plants. They can chop them down. They can help you add a lot of organic matter to your soil really quick. So we're going to get to hacking on these and we'll be right back. All right, so to use one of these, it's really simple. Make sure it's nice and sharp. That's the first thing. We're going to sharpen this about every minute or so because we're going to be cutting through a lot of material very, very quickly. This whole 100-foot row is only going to take me a couple of minutes. So what we're going to do is we got the nice razor edge on our hand scythe here. We're going to come through and we want to run it parallel to the ground. And we're just going to start swinging. And you guys can see, since this is nice and sharp, it makes short work. All right, guys. So it took us about 5 minutes to do this 100-foot row, about 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. And as you guys can see, it made real short work of cutting down all these beans and the weeds that were with them. We don't spray our garden. We're all 100% organic here. We're going to mulch up these beans, and these are going to be tilled right into our soil, and our next crop of beans are going to be planted right over top of them. So if you guys have any questions or comments about using one of the sickles, one of these hand scythes, hit us up, leave a message down below, contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead. If you guys remember using one of these as a kid, I know I used one of these on my grandparents' farm when I was a kid. Leave a message down below. Was yours like this, or was it a little bit different? Have you guys ever used a scythe? Let me know. So until next time, hit that like, share, and subscribe button for me. It really does help us out. Doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps make us make better videos. So until next time, get out there, get your weeds under control. We're going to start planting for our fall garden, because even though we're in the dog days of summer, fall's just around the corner. Y'all stay safe.